Loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation, is a practice that fosters a sense of compassion and love, both for oneself and for others. It's like a warm, cozy blanket for the mind, enveloping you in feelings of warmth, care, and understanding. The first step in this process is to find yourself a quiet and comfortable place. This could be anywhere, really. A cozy corner of your home, a serene spot in your garden, or even a peaceful park. The key is to choose a place where you won't be disturbed and where you feel at peace. Once you've found your spot, it's time to settle into a comfortable position. This could be sitting cross-legged on a cushion, in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or even lying down if that's what feels best for you. The important thing is to find a position that allows you to relax while also maintaining alertness. Now gently close your eyes. Allow your body to relax, starting from the top of your head and slowly working your way down to the tips of your toes. Feel the tension melting away as you do this, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. At this point, your mind might start to wander. That's okay, it's perfectly natural. When you notice this happening, just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and the warm air leaving your body as you exhale. Let your breath anchor you in the present moment. Now the stage is set for you to begin your loving-kindness meditation. Over the course of this practice, you'll be gently guiding your mind towards thoughts and feelings of compassion, starting with yourself and gradually extending this kindness outwards to others. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about the process, the experience, and the transformation that happens along the way. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey. Now, let's journey together through the 5 steps that form the heart of this powerful practice. The first step is about directing love and kindness towards yourself. This is the foundation of the entire process. You can't genuinely extend kindness to others if you don't first embrace yourself with love and compassion. It's about accepting who you are, with all your strengths and weaknesses, and radiating love towards yourself just as you are. The second step involves directing love and kindness towards a loved one. Think of someone you care about deeply. They could be a family member, a close friend, or even a cherished pet. Imagine them in your mind's eye and send them your heartfelt wishes of love, happiness, and well-being. The third step extends this circle of love and kindness to a neutral person. This could be someone you interact with casually, like a neighbor or a coworker, but you don't have a strong emotional connection with. By directing love and kindness towards this neutral person, you learn to extend compassion beyond your immediate circle of loved ones. The fourth step can be a bit challenging. Here you direct love and kindness towards a difficult person. This could be someone you have a conflict with, or someone who has hurt you in the past. It's about letting go of resentment and hatred and replacing them with understanding and compassion. It's not easy, but it's a transformative step that can bring a profound sense of peace and liberation. Finally, in the fifth step, you extend your love and kindness towards all sentient beings. This is about acknowledging our shared humanity and interconnectedness. It's about wishing happiness and peace for everyone, everywhere, without any bias or discrimination. In each step, the goal is to cultivate an attitude of love and kindness, overcoming any barriers of hatred or resentment. Remember, this is a journey, and every step brings you closer to a heart filled with compassion and kindness. Now, let's move on to the meditation mantras. Imagine the mantra as an anchor, a sturdy point that keeps your mind from drifting into the sea of thoughts. The mantra is your compass, guiding you through the journey of meditation, pointing you towards the true north of inner peace and tranquility. It's the rhythmic chant that sets the pace of your emotional and mental strides, a soundtrack to your introspective voyage. In loving kindness meditation, mantras play an especially important role. They are the language of your heart, the words that communicate your deepest wishes and desires for yourself and for others. When you chant these mantras, you aren't just reciting words, you're creating a mental and emotional space filled with love, compassion, and kindness. Let's introduce some common loving kindness meditation mantras. The first mantra is, "May I be happy." This mantra is a wish for your own happiness, a recognition that you deserve joy and fulfillment. The second mantra is, "May I be well." Here, well encompasses not just physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. The third mantra is, "May I be safe." This is a wish for security, a desire to be free from harm, violence, and fear. The fourth mantra is, "May I be peaceful and at ease." This is your heart's longing for peace, for a life that is free from stress, worry, and agitation. These mantras are not set in stone. Feel free to modify them to better suit your individual needs and circumstances. You may want to include specific people in your mantras, or you may want to focus on a particular aspect of well-being. The key is to make the mantras meaningful to you, to imbue them with your own personal touch. Remember, the effectiveness of these mantras isn't measured by the precision of your pronunciation or the complexity of your phrasing. It's the sincerity and depth of your intent that breathes life into these mantras. These mantras serve as a guide for your mind to focus on the feeling of love and kindness. To wrap things up, let's summarize the steps of loving kindness meditation. We started off by finding a comfortable position, quieting our minds and setting a clear intention. We then moved on to focusing our attention inward, bringing a loved one to mind and sending them heartfelt wishes of love and kindness. Next, we extended this practice to others, gradually expanding our circle of kindness to include friends, neutral persons, and even those we find challenging. The use of mantras, such as, may you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful and at ease, helped us to concentrate our thoughts and emotions, making this meditation truly transformative. As we concluded, we learned to extend this love and kindness to all beings and finally to ourselves. Incorporating this meditation into your daily routine can really bring about profound changes in your life. Before we part ways, let's address some common questions and misconceptions about loving kindness meditation. First off, some folks wonder if loving kindness meditation is religious. The answer is no. While it originated in Buddhism, it's a universal form of meditation that doesn't require any particular religious belief. It's about cultivating love and kindness for yourself and others, which transcends all religious and cultural boundaries. Another misconception is that loving kindness meditation is difficult. In reality, it's as simple as repeating phrases of goodwill towards yourself and others. It might seem awkward at first, but with practice, it becomes natural and even soothing. Others question whether they can meditate if they can't clear their minds. The beauty of loving kindness meditation is that it doesn't require a blank mind. The focus is on the repetition of positive phrases, which helps to redirect your thoughts towards kindness and love. And then there's the question of time. Yes, life is busy, but even just a few minutes a day can make a difference. The more you practice, the more benefits you'll start to notice in your daily life. Speaking of benefits, let's revisit them. Loving kindness meditation helps to reduce stress and anxiety, increase happiness and satisfaction, and even improve physical health. It fosters a sense of connection with others and promotes feelings of peace and well-being. But most importantly, it teaches us to be kinder to ourselves and to others, to cultivate love and compassion in our hearts. It's a tool to help us navigate through life with more grace and ease, so I encourage you to give it a try. Start small, maybe just 5 minutes a day, and see how it feels. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it, and every step you take is a step towards a more peaceful and loving self. Remember, the journey to loving kindness starts with a single step. Take that step today and embrace the tranquility that comes with it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.